Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you this quick recipe that I made for lunch. This is so delicious and it's so easy to make. So I'm not gonna say much on this video. I hope you all enjoy it, and if you do, make sure to let me know in the comment sections. Okay, thank you. When your plantain is cooked, take it off the heat and drain the water from it. Now in a pan, we're going to heat up some oil. I'm using olive oil here, but you can use any oil of choice. And then we're going to go in with our onions. Then you're going to fry these onions on medium to low heat until it becomes fragrant and it looks soft. And then we're going to go in with our sliced up tomatoes and peppers. Now you're going to stir this mixture and let it cook until it becomes soft and some of the oil floats to the top. Then you're going to add your seasoning cubes. You're going to go in with some salt, and then you're also going to go in with some curry powder, but that's optional. I know some people don't like using curry powder for their egg sauce. Then you're going to give it another stir. After stirring, you're going to go in with your eggs. Now for the eggs, it depends how you want it. If you want it a bit lumpy, don't stir it too much. That's if you want to see some of the bunches of egg in it. Don't stir it too much, just stir it a little bit, and then you're just going to let it cook together. So at the end here, I'm just going to go in with some parsley, but that's just for me. If you don't want any leaves or anything in yours, please don't put it in there. It's optional, okay? So I just add it in, and then I'm going to give it another stir, and then that's it. Our egg sauce is ready. So we're going to have this with the unripe plantain. This egg sauce, you can also have it with yam if you want to. It's also lovely and it's very quick to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.